Ciudad de Mexico. I'm the King of Mexico. Come and watch my show. But please don't go. Okay, so pretty much today, by the end of the show, I'm gonna make it so that you like foosball. Come on, show it back to me. Better than you did before the show. That's my goal by the end of the show. So, now I would like to introduce to you my foosball opponent of the day. My guest, Charles Chuck, the Chuck Man. Chucky Chuck Chuck the Duck, Root.
Hi.
Do you like being called Chucky Chuck Chuck the Duck?
No, I can't say I do.
Okay, then, whatever. Too bad.
Okay.
Okay, so, we're gonna play a little game of foosball to 4 points to exemplify how much fun it is.
Wait. Okay.
Why is there a ball already in the field? Oops, I meant to put it through that goal.
Oh well.
I guess you get a point.
No.
Okay, good. That doesn't count.
That was practice run for you.
Okay. I'm gonna train you in this 4-point game. Just played just right, Chuck.
Usually.
And Chuck's a spinner. I don't like spinners. So what do you like to do, Chuck?
I like to play foosball.
Do you like puppetry?
I love
You love puppetry. That's interesting, because later in the show, I'll have a spot for your puppetry.
Excellent.
No, on my show, you say, greatness.
Ooh, not so greatness.
No, that was greatness.
Matter of opinion. Greatness.
Can you believe that?
I think I can. Oh!
No. You know what? I'm getting bored. Let's just say that I won.
Oh, bull!
I'm winning 2-1. I don't see what's unfair about that. If we'd have played a 4, then my pace would have got me to 4-2.
Hey, it ain't over till it's over.
I won. Whatever. So anyway, would you like to show an example of your puppetry?
I would.
Okay. Let's see how much he's good. Not.
Today I have a special guest.
It's a Poofball the dog?
It is Poofball the dog.
Poofball.
Oh. Yeah, don't you know that right now? So, do you like Mike being on the show again? I sure do! Hi, everybody! Waving his hand. Do you like...
Like we didn't know he was waving his hand.
Well, yeah. Do you like foosball? I sure do! I could kick the King of Mexico any day!
I'd like to see him try.
Well, that deserves a match.
Between me and Poofball the dog?
You ain't seen nothing.
I don't need to prove anything. I'd cream him. I can cream Chuck.
You ain't seen nothing, kid.
You ain't seen nothing yet.
Okay. You have a challenger.
How do you zoom in?
You don't. You stand up and walk over here. Woo! I'm gonna kick you again, kid!
Okay, let's try this, but you can't help him, Tough.
Alright.
Okay. I'm not gonna let him beat me. Do you hear that? Chuck wants me to rig the game.
I do.
That's what I thought.
Still a couple more to go. Ah! Point for me!
Well, the dog cheats. I don't play with cheaters.
I don't cheat. I said I was gonna beat you. I didn't say how.
Okay, let's have a poll. Who here thinks that picking up the ball and placing it in the goal is cheating? Neither of them, but I'm the King of Mexico, and I think my opinion matters more.
Who thinks Mike cheated?
Well, I don't, and I'm the King of Mexico, so my opinion matters more.
No, it doesn't.
Okay, now see, this is how to have a nice, friendly argument. If you were to just have a fight, it would be like...